Welcome to BatchSave.com. BatchSave is a free online tool that lets you upload multiple images and photos in different formats and download a single zip file containing web-optimized JPEGs with sRGB color profiles. Let's see how it works. We won't change the settings from their default. The default settings are 1000 pixels maximum height and width and 200 kilobytes maximum file size. We click here to upload. Here's 20 photos. You can use your Shift key and your Control key to select multiple files. Control will let you select or deselect single files. Shift is for selecting all files. So after it uploads these images, we're going to arrive at a screen where it starts looping through each of the images, converting them one at a time to JPEGs with sRGB color profiles. At that point, if we wanted to perform another upload, like say we had a ton of photos and we wanted to exceed the 100 megabyte upload limit, we could go back to upload another batch or another batch, etc. So you can upload more than 100 megabytes, you just need to do it in multiple batches. It's almost done. I should point out that there's going to be some sponsored content on the bottom of batchsave.com in the future. And since we're a free website, that's one of the ways you can support us, is by clicking around a little bit. I should also point out that some publications, newspapers and magazines, they use this type of technology to prep their photos for the web before they upload them to their newspaper or magazine websites for their readers to view. And we have another piece of software at lionslight.com, which basically is a newspaper website solution. So if you're a newspaper, please check it out. So we have our 20 files here. If you knew that you were uploading more than 20, this would be a red flag that something went wrong with one of them. And you would see the files listed and with an error next to them, etc. This is where you can download your zip file. This is where you can go back to upload more. So we have our 20 files. We can upload more here. Let's check out our files. So here's the files. There's no error messages next to these files. We could clear our files and start over if we wanted to. In most cases, if you're not uploading JPEGs, you're going to see some sort of message here to the right of it. Basically, just look for messages that are in red, because that'll indicate something went wrong. If you see a simple message like color profile was converted to sRGB, that's a good thing. We'll download our zip file. Here's the one we downloaded. Let's look at the file contents. So here they are. You can notice their file sizes are well under the 200 kilobytes, so BatchSave did exactly what it was supposed to do. Thank you. Please spread the word about BatchSave.com.